सभी को नमस्कार। आप कैसे हो? ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
ठीक है। अपनी किताब का पेज नंबर 30 खोल लीजिए। पेज नंबर 30।
मैम टेक्स्ट
बुक और लास्ट चैप्टर।
New chapter. Good morning, ma'am. It's about roosters.
Good morning, dears.
Ma'am, is
Namaste.
it about rooster? Good morning.
Rooster. Okay.
Number.
Oh.
Page number.
Page number 30. 30. Avantika, Isha, Isan, Unimaya, Srihari, Navneet, Arpita. आपका कैमरा क्यों बंद है? कैमरा ओपन कीजिए।
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Yes, we just started.
Good
Take
morning,
your
ma'am. What should I do?
Take your textbook. Page number 30. Kholo. We are going to start a new chapter. Okay. This is our last chapter also. Okay. आप लोग तैयार हैं? हाँ? Okay. पाठ 11 घमंड का परिणाम। घमंड मतलब arrogance. ओके? arrogance क्या है? हाँ? क्या है?
What's the page number?
Page number 30.
30.
Okay. Ghamand means arrogance. Parinam, result. I will write the meanings. Okay. Just write it in the rough book or textbooks.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Don't worry. Morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we need to write in our rough book.
Yes. Rough book or textbooks. Top of the textbook you can write it.
Ma'am, I joined now.
We just started now.
We didn't write anything.
Anything.
Yes. What we have to do?
Open your textbook.
We have
and take one pencil.
page number 30.
Page number 30. Golo. Part 11. Part 11. घमंड का परिणाम।
Excuse
me. Yes.
Ma'am, rough book. Write in the notebook.
Not notebook. Write
Rough book.
in the rough book or textbooks, top of the textbook, anywhere. Okay.
Yes, sorry.
घमंड मतलब arrogance. घमंड
Command. Arrogant.
परिणाम result. परिणाम result. परिणाम result.
Textbook where?
Result page number 30. 30.
You can
Result
write
of arrogance. Okay. Padkana. एक गांव में दो मुर्गे रहते थे. Who is disturbing? Everybody mute. एक गांव में दो मुर्गे रहते थे. एक गांव, गांव मतलब क्या है? विलेज. हाँ, विलेज. गांव, विलेज. गांव, विलेज. विलेज. दो मुर्गे, मुर्गे मतलब क्या है? रूस्टर. We can say cock also. Cock. Okay? हाँ? Cock. Two cocks lived in a village. एक गांव में दो मुर्गे रहते थे. दोनों मित्र थे. Both were friends. मित्र अर्थ क्या है? मित्र.
Friends.
Friend. एक दिन, one day, दोनों के बीच, between the two cocks, दोनों के बीच बहस हो गई. There was an argument between the two. What was the argument? कि कौन ज्यादा ताकतवर है? कौन? कौन मतलब who? Who is more? ज्यादा मतलब more. ज्यादा, more. ज्यादा,
More strong.
more. More powerful. बहस, बहस मतलब argument. बहस.
Now we should write in notebook.
No.
Rough book.
Argument. एक दिन दोनों के बीच बहस हो गई. One day there was an argument between the two friends. Okay. What is the reason? कौन ज्यादा ताकतवर है? Who is more powerful? Okay. ताकतवर, powerful or strong. ताकतवर, ताकतवर, powerful. Powerful. इस बात पर दोनों झगड़ने लगे. For this matter, both started fighting. झगड़ना, fight. झगड़ना. झगड़ना to fight. झगड़ना to fight. इस बात पर दोनों झगड़ने लगे. For this matter, both were started fighting. झगड़ते झगड़ते दोनों भूस के ढेर पर चढ़ गए. झगड़ते झगड़ते, fighting and fighting, दोनों, both भूस के ढेर पर, both climbed on the heap of a straw. Straw. Do you know what is that straw?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है?
Lines.
Yes.
Lines.
Not that. I'll tell. Okay. Goose. Goose मतलब straw. S-T-R-A-W. Straw.
Straw means sipping straw.
1 minute.
Felix straw food. Horse food.
Yes. Okay, children. झगड़ते झगड़ते दोनों भूस के ढेर पर चढ़ गए.
मैम कैन शेयर कर दो.
ढेर मतलब heap. ढेर मतलब heap. H-E-A-P. झगड़ते झगड़ते दोनों भूस के ढेर पर चढ़ गए. चढ़ना to climb. चढ़ना to climb.
Ma'am, should we write this in the notebook? Rough book. Or
Okay.
textbook.
Write rough book or textbook. They climbed on the heap of the straw. Understood? Can you imagine that? Huh? Can you imagine that scenery? Yes?
Yeah. No, ma'am.
No. Why?
I cannot.
Why?
I don't understand the meanings.
Okay, I'll say once more, okay? Listen. You just join now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the problem. No,
2 minutes
I will
later.
tell after, okay? Now you listen. झगड़ते झगड़ते दोनों भूस के ढेर पर चढ़ गए. Fighting and fighting, both climbed on the heap of the straw. Okay. एक मुर्ग को काफी चोट लगी. One of the cock injured more. Okay. एक मुर्ग को काफी चोट मतलब इंजुरी. Chot. One of the cock injured more. Okay. वह भूस के ढेर से नीचे गिर गया. That cock fell down from the heap of the straw. Okay. हाँ? वह भूस के ढेर से नीचे गिर गया. विजयी मुर्ग ने जीतने की खुशी में जोर से बांग लगाई. विजयी मुर्ग, द विनिंग कॉक, जीतने की खुशी में, द जॉय ऑफ हिज सक्सेस, जोर की बांग लगाई. ही क्रॉड लाउडली. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
ओके. जीतना मीन्स टू विन. जीतना. जीतने की खुशी में जोर से बांग लगाई. ही क्रॉड लाउडली. ओके. उसकी ऊंची आवाज की बांग सुनकर एक चील ने उसको छीन लिया. At the sound of the crows that roared, one eagle came and snatched him away. Okay. उसकी ऊंची आवाज means the
Kidnapped. Kidnapped.
Snatched means catch him and go.
Then gone.
उसकी ऊंची आवाज की बांग.
Kidnapped mean.
Yes.
Kidnapped mean to take someone and go.
Like that. Snatched. The चील मतलब eagle.
Ma'am, it's very short.
Very short story. China. उसकी ऊंची आवाज मीन्स हाई साउंड की बांग सुनकर एक चील ने उसको छीन लिया. One eagle came and snatched him away. पराजित मुर्गा अपने भाग्य पर अत्यंत खुश हुआ. The defeated rooster become very happy for his luck. Okay. पराजित मुर्गा अपने भाग्य पर अत्यंत खुश हुआ. He become very happy to his luck. Okay. Understood? समझ में आ गया? कहानी समझ में आ गया?
ठीक ठीक
Okay, I will say once more. Okay, I will explain once more. Okay, listen properly. एक गांव में 2 मुर्गे रहते थे. 2 cocks live in a village. दोनों मित्र थे. Both were friends. एक दिन अर्थ क्या है?
One day.
One day. दोनों के बीच अर्थ क्या है? Between the two.
Between the cocks.
Between the cocks. बहस हो गई. बहस.
Argument.
There was an argument between the 2 friends कि कौन ज्यादा ताकतवर है? Who is more
Powerful.
Okay. इस बात पर दोनों झगड़ने लगे.
They started to fight. They started fighting this matter. They started fighting.
Okay. झगड़ते दोनों भूस के ढेर पर चढ़ गए. Fighting and fighting, both climbed on the heap of straw. Okay. एक मुर्ग को काफी चोट लगी. One of the cock.
One rooster got injured. Got injured.
Yes. Injured a lot. वह भूस के ढेर से नीचे गिर गया. अर्थ क्या है? वह भूस के ढेर से नीचे गिर गया. अर्थ क्या है? He fell down from the straw. Right. विजयी मुर्गी ने जीतने की खुशी में जोर की बांग लगाई. The winning cock
started to crowd loudly.
Yes. उसकी ऊंची आवाज की बांग सुनकर एक चील ने उसको छीन लिया. उसकी ऊंची आवाज अर्थ क्या है? At the sound of the
crowd and
the roasted he will come and snatch him away. पराजित मुर्गा अपने भाग्य पर अत्यंत खुश हुआ.
The defeated rooster
become very happy. Why?
Because of his lucky.
Yes.
Because of his luck.
Okay. You want to explain one more time? Yes or no, children?
Okay, ma'am. I didn't understand what is straw.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, it's another word is hay. Hay, right?
Okay.
Waiko.
Okay. Yes.
I
I will explain.
Ma'am.
Need one more
I
time?
got it, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes, I will share. Sure.
Ma'am,
Children, do you want one more time?
Ma'am, can you admit Naimika?
She's not there.
She's not.
Yes. Children, clear for everybody? That chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I understand. No.
Nainika can't join because of her network.
No doubt.
No doubts. Okay. Then we can study the meanings now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Nainika can't join because her network is slow.
What to do? चिल्ड्रन घमंड का अर्थ क्या है? बोलो. घमंड.
Command meaning arrogance.
Okay.
Arrogance.
परिणाम का अर्थ क्या है?
Result.
Result.
हमारे इस पाठ का अर्थ क्या है? इस पाठ का हेडिंग का अर्थ क्या है?
Result of arrogance.
Result.
Arrogance.
Result of arrogance.
गाँव अर्थ क्या है? गाँव. गाँव.
Village.
बहस. बहस का अर्थ क्या है? बहस.
Argument.
ताकतवर अर्थ क्या है? ताकतवर.
Powerful.
Strong.
वेरी गुड. झगड़ना अर्थ क्या है?
To fight.
हाँ.
Fight.
भूस अर्थ क्या है? भूस.
Straw.
In the textbook it is given sawdust.
Yeah. Sawdust.
ढेर अर्थ क्या है? ढेर.
Heap.
Heap.
In the test it's right pile.
Yes. चटना अर्थ क्या है? चटना. चोट अर्थ क्या है? चोट.
Injury.
अर्थ क्या है?
To win.
हाँ. चील अर्थ क्या है? चील.
Eagle.
चील अर्थ क्या है?
Snatch.
Okay, children. Okay, this is our last chapter. Okay, I will send the meanings to WhatsApp, and after this we have to start our workbook. Abhyas Pustika. Okay. How many pages completed? Workbook. Can you say? Workbook.
Page number 14.
Page number 14. Okay.
Yeah,
14 completed.
15. Yes, ma'am.
14 completed. We have to start from 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
After this chapter's notes, we will continue the start chapter 15. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the last chapter.
Ma'am, we have till 11:20.
11:25.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the last one to snatch my textbook. It's not in.
These all the meanings are not there in the textbook.
All are not there.
Not there. Only some
That
meanings.
word.
Ma'am, what is that
China.
That word
China.
is not
No. Ma'am, in the test, ma'am,
in my text.
ma'am, in the test, something is written as
छीन लिया. छीन लिया
Yeah.
means snatched.
Ma'am, in the test, it's written something mighty.
Mighty. That ताकतवर. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
ताकतवर.
Workbook.
No need today. No need today workbook. We will continue after this chapter's notes. Okay.
11:20.
Children, ताकतवर means powerful or strong.
Mighty meaning very strong.
That also we can use. Okay. Very good. Then our time is 2 more minutes. Okay, children.
Ma'am, 25 only.
25.
Ma'am, 25. 90 minutes.
Now I have
What
class
time
in
is that?
another board. Okay.
Ma'am, not till 25 only our time.
Yes.
Now
Now it's 18. Okay. Children, you have to read this chapter fully 5 times. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If any doubt is there, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
आपको कोई संदेह है तो मुझसे पूछो।
Again.
Ma'am, Riza has a doubt.
हाँ पूछिए रुसा।
Ma'am,
यस
what's the meaning of chatna?
चटना means to climb.
Ma'am, will hen fight like roosters?
Oh,
Ma'am, will hen fight like roosters?
yes, hen also will fight.
Sometimes the roosters will fight with the hen.
Yes.
This fight
My rooster and hen is every time fighting. My
Ah.
rooster and hen is every time fighting.
Yes, they will fight always.
Because the hens are a bit smaller than the roosters.
Yes. One competition is there. Yes, in Tamil Nadu, right.
Yeah, that is in Tamil Nadu.
Okay, children, I am going to wind up. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. बच्चों
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद।